one soldier don't commit suicide as him kill another custom officer for Seme. Now, wow, all these officers sef, I no even going to understand wetin dey really happen. According to reports, they talk say this soldier, he no even do am on purpose, saying accidentally shoot this custom officer. They talk say this man, this soldier, he dey always behave like person wey get score, abi person wey warakpa dey always worry. So na so him go dey just dey do somehow. Say this man, he be like say na from Boko Haram war ground. Na him dey bring am come for this before they come carry am come this Seme border, make him come dey work. So they always notice say him dey always misbehave, but they no dey feel complain. I know say na your fellow army go leave and say maybe na so himself be. But as the matter be, they say this man gun dey always dey full. In AK-47, bullets they always dey inside. Now so he go do am, cock am down. I can't dey wonder if like say he don't master am. I think they that Zambisa forest. He don't dey used to say war they always happen. Say fights they always. Now he make I think come Seme border. In brain over research say he don't dey for where they peaceful. Ordinary man wey just sit down for in custom office they do in thing. They say as this man start to dey behave like person wey conjured on the enter in brain. Now so in fellow people they try say may they try collect this gun for in hand though. Now there this thing just mistakenly go shoot this custom officer for where he dey. Hey, and as he be, this custom officer don't die. As this man self can't see, bless as he shoot that thing finish. I believe saying village people they follow him because as he shoot this thing finish, in eye can't clear. Oga self can't carry gun, shoot himself. Say case closed because in the fear say maybe the kind law, I be the kind punishment they will give him, he go over worst. Now he can just feel say make him just go kill himself. Now wow, see as na just kill innocent man. How you expect making family and his wife can they do? You where you know say they sick, government self, you know say this man from that Zaria be where they carry and come from. Una know say this man they sick. Una go carry and go psychiatric hospital. I be the things when don't face for war ground, the things don't they affect him brain. Maybe they go through one traumatic stress, I be something. Now go carry and go treat them. Now come carry them. Now no see anywhere when I go put them. Now for Seme border. Border if you say people they cross, people they always pass there. Now see what thing don't go do to innocent person. Innocent even come there alive sec for them to judge them. As it be, make their soul rest in peace, the two of them, because no judgment wey they won't give to these two people. But I beg, making that they employ people where their head they correct. From the beginning, they don't talk say the only reason self where they make this man, where they transfer this man come this Lagos. Now because of say they say this man they always misbehave from that place, and in gun they always they fool. That make they feel say if you they behave like that, maybe they send you come the place where be say your heart go come they calm. You know go they face violence again. You go they okay. You go believe say and here they peaceful. You know go to worry yourself. But as it be, the man in brain no still correct. As in there for that Seme border, he still they think say na war ground in there. So they in don't go kill person. Rest in peace. Now all I go fit tell you. As this matter be like this, making a write in our mind for the comment section. Anything way in a feel, making a write am there. Making a don't forget to come like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video.